Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the HTTP error, please close the client and try again, error code 529, on Roblox. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Roblox server status. Then open the official status page, status.roblox.com, and check if the servers are down. If the status shows red or yellow, it means there's an issue on Roblox's side, and you'll need to wait until it's fixed. If everything is green, the servers are working fine, so the issue is likely on your end. If the servers are up and you're still facing the error, go to your computer settings. Navigate to Time and Language, then click on Date and Time. Make sure both Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically are turned on. If they're disabled, enable them. After that, click on the Sync Now button and wait a few seconds for the process to complete. If the problem still isn't resolved, turn off the automatic settings and manually select your correct time zone. Then set the exact date and time for your region and check if the issue is fixed. If you're still experiencing the error, try switching your network. For example, connect your computer to a mobile hotspot using cellular data. Alternatively, you can use a VPN and see if that resolves the issue. That's it. One of these methods should help you fix the Roblox error code 529.